Hey guys, we received this stone faucet mat for test and try. Used for the kitchen sink, diatomaceous earth sink tray with the absorbent faucet mat, splash guard and the quick dry. So this comes in this nice, this is stone, so need to be a little bit careful. And then this is nice like the guide for entrapping the water and then absorbing that. So it goes on the tap like this and the faucet or near to the faucet, and from the back this can easily absorb water and then dry quickly as well. So I put it on the kitchen sink. As you can see, this fits really well here on the top, and then this covers the faucet as well. If the water spill, you can see like it absorbs pretty quickly, and just stay here and then quick dry. So this is a nice faucet mat or the stone faucet mat for protecting the countertop or the faucet for the the water or anything.